Mandy's World, Mandy's World, Mandy's World.
So today we are actually doing the Grouse Mountain climb, but I've already done the Grouse Grind, so we're going to try the new version, which is a little bit extended. It hurts pumping already. I have no idea where we are. I'm hoping this is halfway. I'm sweating a bucket right now, but I'm looking forward to getting the top because that's the best reward. And my snack that I packed, of course. That's delicious. So, let's keep on going. Onward and upward. It seems like a very, very long journey, but it's really not. So we shall go on. So we're almost there. We made it all this way. All the climbing seems to be done. It's flattened out now, and just around the corner will be the top of the mountain, and I will show you our exploration up there. We made it. That was an incredibly good workout, and now I'm excited to explore. One of the highlights of the top of Grouse Mountain are the grizzly bears. They're so cute. So we opted to not take the gondola back down, and I'm actually really glad that we did. It's come a lot quicker than I expected to get to the bottom. We're almost there now, and my knees are definitely feeling this climb down. But overall, I mean, we had a blast up at the top, and this is such a beautiful forest, and the view, perfect. I have to say, coming down just before we came on this trail, I saw a lady that had done the actual grind, and she had a cane and she was limping. So for anyone out there who doesn't think they can do this, you can. So we have come to the end of our hike. What a workout. I'm feeling whooped right now. But great experience. Definitely would do it again. I'm Mandy, and that's my tour for the day.
Mandy's World! Mandy's World!